2023 Dodge Durango SRT 6.4 Scat Pack engine in this, guys. So we're doing a custom cat back, dual 3-inch piping. We're slapping an edge pipe in the midsection, some G-Pack mufflers. Boom, guys, looking sweet. All right, running a dual 3-inch piping all the way through. We're slapping the edge pipe on here. Here it goes right here. Custom 3-inch midsection with a 3-inch X. This is a stamped X pipe. This is built for equalization, equalizing the flow on your exhaust. This will make the car perform better, sound better, and just general performance, gas mileage, acceleration, torque, everything goes up when you slap an X pipe on there. So this is the stock system. We got 2 rear mufflers, or resonators, whatever you want to call them. You got a dual 2.7-inch piping and a big ass suitcase spaceship of a resonator. We're getting rid of all of it. We're upgrading it. Like I said, X pipe, G-Pack mufflers in the rear, and then some double wall black powder coated tips, preferably 5-inch, guys. These are gonna look pretty badass out the back. So the car's white and black. We're going with black powder coated tips, trying to fill out that cutout as much as possible. It's gonna look sweet. Next upgrade I would recommend for this car would probably be an AFE air intake. I think they make the best air intakes on the market. So Gexhaust.com if you're not local. If so, just hit us up. We sell them at both locations. So if you're interested in an air intake, you got a Durango, you want a catback system, maybe a Borla catback, just reach out to us. We got you guys. '23 Dodge Durango SRT Scat Pack, all set. Got the G-Packs installed, got the X pipe, mid pipe, dual 3-inch piping on this baby. Got the 5-inch black powder coated tips. This thing sounds sweet, man. I got this kid's son revving it for us. Let me get a couple revs, bro. Go ahead. Sick. Kids love exhaust too, bro.